Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another FSD version 14.1.4 video. So today we're gonna test going through a car wash. Let's see how this goes. So the car wash is on the left over here after the stop sign. So let's see if it's gonna stop and go left, which I very highly doubt that because actually it's doing it. Let's see. Nope. Let's try it again. We'll just go over here and then let's manually stop it here. All right, let's put it back here. Um, wait, what? All right, and then let's do start. Go into reverse. I'm trying to see if it'll be able to go into the entrance by itself. This time I'm not gonna stop it. I feel like it just put the indicator right after I stopped it. So let's see if that. There we go. It's signaling to go in. Interesting. Let's see how this goes. Is it gonna follow that car? No, it doesn't. Okay. It's just signaling to park. Ah, man. That sucks. I wish it oh yeah, it chose the customer parking only. All right. Let's get it through the entrance and we'll see how it behaves after that. All right. And I'm going to choose this one. And this is basically an automatic car wash, so it's not going to be anything interesting here. But we've got a car right in front of us. Okay, let's see if putting FSD on from here, how'll that work? Oh, and it's changing lanes. Alrighty then. So okay, I'll let you guys know if I'm braking or stopping or anything like that. So it is coming up to a stop here. Now it's saying please wait for the gate. The gate should open up. I don't know why it's not. Oh, there we go. A little bit of a delay. And it's following the car in front of us. And it's doing this all by itself, by the way. So this is pretty wild, actually. I've never tried this. Um, and yeah, it's not gonna really line up properly on the tracks here. So I'm going to disengage. I'm gonna reverse it back a little bit. I know because the operator is just going to tell me you're not lined up properly. So okay, let's see if it's gonna wait for the operator. So it's waiting right now. I engaged it, but it's waiting. So let's see. Let's see what happens. So normally, what they do is that they tell me to come closer, and then they tell me to stop, and then I have to put the car in neutral. Ooh, it's going forward by itself. So she's waving me forward. Okay, so now I need to go in neutral. So there you go. So yes, barely like it did it, but not like 100%. Not 100% aligned to the tracks. It would have been really cool if it just lines itself up to the tracks. Then I just don't need to engage FSD anymore. So I'll fast you forward to the car wash, and then I'll engage it right after the track is done. I mean, we're towards the end of the exit, and see how it comes out of that. Interesting enough, now it's telling me camera visibility is limited. Well, I better fold my mirrors here. So we're coming up towards the end of the car wash here. The tracks are almost done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unfold my mirrors and then engage FSD and see what happens I'm hoping it's just gonna take me out. So if you folks haven't watched any of my videos, my name is Nart. I go by Cold Envy. I'm on. I do FSD in Canada, and this is version 14.1.4. And please hit follow and subscribe to my channel. It'll help me a lot. So I'm gonna unfold my mirrors here, exit car wash, and I'm gonna hit the drive button and engage FSD here. Here we go. Even signals on the way out. Awesome. Very good. Yeah, it did. So it did this part very well. No doubt about that. Yeah, the GPS is kind of screwed up a little bit over here. So I'm gonna disengage here and just to end this video over here. So I hope you folks like this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.